Have you ever wondered how someone can survive in a coma for weeks, months, or even years without eating or drinking? I know, it sounds impossible. But the science behind it is actually fascinating and a little bit mind-blowing. When a person falls into a long-term coma, their body enters a kind of survival mode. They're not conscious, but their basic life functions keep going. So, how does the body manage this incredible balancing act? First, let's talk about nutrition. Normally, you eat food. Your body digests it and absorbs the nutrients. But coma patients can't eat or drink on their own. That's where medical interventions come in. Doctors give patients nutrients through a tube, either through the nose into the stomach or directly into a vein. This process is called artificial feeding, and it's absolutely crucial. Without it, the body would run out of energy very quickly. But what happens if medical support isn't there right away? Well, the body starts using its own reserves. First, it burns through the sugar stored in the liver. Next, it turns to fat. And finally, when those run out, it even breaks down muscle. But this can only last so long. That's why hospitals step in with feeding tubes to keep everything running. Now, water is even more vital. You can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water. In comas, fluids are given through IVs to prevent dehydration, which can shut down your organs fast. There's also the question of breathing. Some coma patients need machines to help them breathe and keep their hearts beating strong. These machines do the heavy lifting while the body is focused on healing. Another key point, the body's metabolism slows way down during a coma. It isn't burning energy at the normal rate, so it can stretch those nutrients and fluids further than you'd think. Finally, regular care is critical. Doctors and nurses turn patients to prevent bed sores, clean them to avoid infections, and keep a close watch on every vital sign. It's a constant effort to keep someone alive in this delicate state. So, surviving a long coma isn't magic. It's medicine, biology, and a whole lot of teamwork. The human body is tough, but it can't do it alone. With the right support, it's amazing what we can survive.